Kids App TV!
What?
Chuggington! Rise and shine, trainee! I'm V, and I'll be your guide as you complete adventures and explore the traintastic town of Chuggington. On each adventure, you'll get to control chuggers like Wilson, Brewster and Coco. Draw a path on the track from any of your chuggers to get them moving. Each adventure will give you traintastic new items to play with in build and play mode. Wagons and attachments, buildings, and even new chuggers. Anytime you can view your collection and take a closer look at all the pieces you've earned. So what are you waiting for? Let's get these chuggers moving! Wilson and Brewster are sent to get stone from the quarry. And on the way back, Brewster is in a hurry to try out his new moves. Want to play again? Tap any part of the adventure to play again.
Time to wake up, Chuggington!
Cool! See you later! Hey, Brewster, where are you going?
To the training yard.
What for?
I'm going to practice everything I learned yesterday before our next lesson.
Yeah, those new turns we tried were traintastic. Wait for me!
Attention, please. Wilson and Brewster to the loading yard to meet Dunbar.
But I wanted to practice my new moves.
Well, if you work hard, Brewster, you'll still have time when you get back.
Great idea, V. I will.
Draw a path from Wilson to the loading yard, where you can install a hopper car.
Wheels to the rails! Perfecto.
Tap the red hopper car to couple up.
Cool! Hip, hip, hooray!
Ready to go, V.
Good. Now, today I'm sending you to the
quarry!
Yes! You're going to the mountain quarry to collect some stone.
Cool! A strong chugger like me will have that done in no time.
Fantastic!
Guide Wilson to the rock quarry to pick up some rocks.
Wheels to the rails! It's training time! Cool!
Tap the rock chute to fill your hopper car with rocks.
Wowza! Hip, hip, hooray!
Keep it coming.
Oh, don't overload yourself, Brewster.
Don't worry, I'm really strong.
Door shut and ready to load. Oh, but there's nothing but dust left, Brewster.
Oh, sorry.
Okay, see you next time. Steady as you go.
slow coach. Come on, I want to get back. Wilson, slow coach.
But weren't you listening to Dunbar?
What about?
About being extra careful on the way home. It's harder downhill.
Phew, how can it be harder downhill? Downhill's easy peasy. You've got that wrong, Wilson.
I haven't.
I bet you weren't paying proper attention, as usual.
I was. Slow down, Brewster, please.
There's nothing to worry about.
It's training time.
Brewster's brakes aren't working and he's going too fast. Tap your hopper car when it's above the targets to drop dust and slow him down. Chuggingtastic! He's slowing down. 2 to go. Honking horns! It's working! 1 left.
Pop your doors open.
Wilson, what are you?
Brake on the dust.
What? Ah, it's working. I can grip the track. Thanks, Wilson. Oh, you saved me.
Phew-wee.
What made you think of that?
I remember what Morgan did when he slipped on the oil.
Switched on. I'm sorry I didn't believe you about what Dunbar said. You were paying attention. And I wasn't.
Well, Meg's a change, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, Braking Brewster. Let's get this stone safely home.
Tap Build and Play to go to your very own Chuggington or choose an adventure.
All buckled up. Wheels to the rails.
Tap an attachment to add it to your chugger. The trainees spend the day with